Today we're showing you a Massey Ferguson 1745 round baler. This baler is a local baler. It has not been used in several years. The fellow that owned this baler sold his farm a number of years ago and has kept the baler since, but has not used it. They did go to his local Massey Ferguson dealer after the last time he used it. They completely went over it, said it's an A1 condition. The baler has not been used since that, but again, that's been several years ago, so you may need to grease the baler here and there. Has a 540 PTO shaft. I don't know the exact bale count on the baler, but as you can see, there's not a lot of paint missing down here, so there's not a lot of bales been ran through this baler. The belts are in nice shape. Paint is in good shape. Slight fade, but real nice yet. End gate goes up and down as it should. Got the tail lights on the back here. We'll kick it in gear here in a minute. You can see the gate go up and down, see the baler spin. Nice economical baler.